Reverse diabetes type 2. Cardiovascular disease and diabetes. Diabetes is treatable, but even when glucose levels are under control, it greatly increases the risk of heart disease and stroke. That's because people with diabetes, particularly type 2 diabetes, may have the following conditions that contribute to their risk for developing cardiovascular disease (CVD). 1. High blood pressure. High blood pressure has long been recognized as a major risk factor for cardiovascular disease. 2. Abnormal cholesterol and high triglycerides. Patients with diabetes often have unhealthy cholesterol levels including high LDL cholesterol, low HDL cholesterol, and high triglycerides. This triad of poor lipid counts often occurs in patients with premature coronary heart disease. It is also characteristic of a lipid disorder associated with insulin resistance called diabetic dyslipidemia in those patients with diabetes. 3. Obesity. Obesity is a major risk factor for cardiovascular disease and has been strongly associated with insulin resistance. Weight loss can improve cardiovascular risk, decrease insulin concentration and increase insulin sensitivity. Obesity and insulin resistance also have been associated with other risk factors, including high blood pressure. 4. Lack of physical activity. Physical inactivity is another modifiable major risk factor for insulin resistance and cardiovascular disease. Exercising and losing weight can prevent or delay the onset of type 2 diabetes, reduce blood pressure and help reduce the risk for heart attack and stroke. 5. Smoking. Smoking puts individuals, whether or not they have diabetes, at higher risk for heart disease and stroke. Individuals with insulin resistance or diabetes in combination with one or more of these risk factors are at even greater risk of heart disease or stroke. However, by managing their risk factors, patients with diabetes may avoid or delay the development of heart and blood vessel disease. Are you suffering diabetes type 2? Do you want to reverse your diabetes in natural way? I would recommend a natural program can help to reverse your diabetes type 2 naturally in just 3 weeks. This program helped thousands of people reverse their diabetes without pills and insulin injections. Please click the link https://diabetes-type2.healyourpain247.com.